Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use a clutch alignment tool, universal one. So essentially you're going to get this kit. You're going to have this rod right here, all these little different attachments. So what these attachments are going to do, this is the flywheel on your car. And you can see down here, these teeth are what your starter actually is going to spin onto to turn your engine over. So here's your clutch, the clutch disc right here. This needs to be perfectly concentric with the flywheel itself. So how are you going to do that? All right. So you're going to go into your little universal kit, and they have, once again, they have these little attachments, and you want to make sure that this attachment fits perfectly into this bearing right here. Okay. So find the one that fits in there. And I already know it's going to be this guy right here. And as you can see, it pretty much perfectly fits in there. So at this point, you can check your work. You're going to go screw it onto the end of this tool here. Okay. If I put this down in here, it's pretty much, hear that? Perfect fit. Okay. Perfectly concentric. Now, imagine that this flywheel is now mounted to the engine via all these bolts right here, and then you're going to go put your clutch disc on, and you are going to then put your pressure plate on. Okay, so imagine your pressure plate is on right now. You're going to insert this universal tool until it goes into that bearing, which it just did, and now this is a cone. So you get a press on this cone, that will center your clutch. So it's over here, push down, now it's centered, perfectly concentric. At this point, you can go and tighten all of the small bolts that hold your pressure plate to the flywheel itself. And now, once you're done with all that, you can just remove the alignment tool, and everything is perfectly concentric, and you're off to the races. I hope this has helped someone out. If it has, leave a like down below, maybe even consider subscribing, maybe a little super thanks, and we'll see you next time. And as always, if you want to use the tools used in the video, they will be linked in the description below, and thanks for watching.